Most of the people that are telling you how to make 10K in 90 days are using you to make their first 10K. In this video, I am going to reveal 7 secrets that people that are making 10K per month don't want you to know. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to reveal a number of secrets that you probably aren't aware of when it comes to making 10K online. Some of these secrets are going to open up a whole new world of opportunity and possibilities. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the one that I just mentioned. A lot of people on the internet are telling you how easy it is to make 10K in 90 days. And quite honestly, they're using you to make their first 10K. They are preying upon your fears, desires, hopes, and wishes in order to make money. And then unfortunately, the way that they have you make money is to tell people how to make 10K online when you've never done it before. This feels more like a pyramid scheme, a bait and switch, than it is an actual strategy. So what I want you to do going forward is identify your skills, identify hobbies, identify things that you're actually interested in, and start creating content on those things. I guarantee you that you can make 10K in random things like bass fishing or paddleball, whatever it is. You can make 10K online and you don't have to tell people how to make money online, especially if you've never done it before. Now, after you have made some money online, you want to start telling people how to make money online. That's more than okay, but go out and get some experience first. Number 2, most people overcomplicate the process or the road to making money online. Most people think that you need to have this high level skill and mindset. You need to be some ninja guru. You need to just be smarter than everyone else. When in reality, if you want to make 10K online, if you want to make any money online, it's literally just identifying problems and solving them. Over the past 3 weeks, I've shown you 2 people that are making 10K per month, teaching Excel tips, tricks, and tactics. Yesterday, I uploaded a video showing you how a person is making very good money talking about QuickBooks. You identify tools, software, skills that people need in order to survive. You create content around those things, and then you can monetize it. A lot of people that I speak with and a lot of comments that I see on my YouTube channel is they want some high-level tips, tricks, and tactics. There isn't none. There isn't any. You just identify a problem, you create content to solve that problem, and then you think of ways to monetize. It's really as simple as that. You don't need any other tips, tricks, tactics. There's no secret behind a paywall in order to make money online. Identify a problem, create content to solve that problem, and then direct them to the monetization. Just like that, if you are consistent and persistent, you can make 10K per month in literally anything. Number 2, everything is a speed bump until it's a roadblock. Now, what do I mean by that? Speed bumps slow you down, roadblocks stop you in your tracks. A speed bump is not being able to connect your landing page to your autoresponder. A roadblock is trying to use Disney and their characters in order to make money. A lot of people that struggle to make money online spend so much time worrying about speed bumps and trying to get past speed bumps, they never get to the point of making 10K per month. Now ask yourself, have you spent time trying to perfect your logo? Have you spent time trying to get the perfect color scheme? Have you spent time creating content but never uploading it because you don't like the way you look, sound, or the clothes you're wearing? You are letting speed bumps stop you from being successful online. People that are ultimately successful, they don't worry about speed bumps. They keep pushing forward and only stop when they run into a roadblock. Now, the internet going down is a roadblock. You can't continue. There are roadblocks out there that will force you to go a different direction, but for the most part, the challenges that you're running into at the very beginning are just speed bumps that you can overcome. If you are resourceful, you go to the internet and you search in how to solve this, how to fix that, and someone has created content to help you. So don't let speed bumps turn into roadblocks. One of the most important things that you have to stop doing is stop being a consumer. Consumers spend money, content creators make money. If you spend all day scrolling on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook groups, you're a consumer. Now, there's nothing wrong with consumers. They just tend to spend money. They tend to watch ads and they get excited about those things and then they buy those things. Content creators will see an opportunity and they'll just create content. If they see a lot of people talking about the same thing, they'll find a way to create content about that thing. So if you truly want to be successful online, you have to have a shifted mindset from a consumer to a creator. Creators make money, consumers spend money. Stop being a consumer. Stop watching so much YouTube. Stop watching so much TV. Stop playing so much video games. Stop living other people's dreams and start building your own dreams. Really, really important. Most people never make 10K online because they were told it's easy. When people hear the word easy, it kind of lets their guard down. They get a false sense of security, and that's what prevents a lot of people from being successful. 10K per month is not easy, especially if you've never done it before. If you don't know what it takes to make 10K online, you should assume that it is hard until you have achieved it. If anyone is telling you that 10K per month online is easy, they're really just trying to sell you something, so make sure that you run for the hills. Making 10K online, if you've never done it before, is hard. It's something that people will struggle with. I'm going to explain why later, but making 10K online is not easy. It's simple, very simple, but it's not easy. You cannot make 10K online unless you have a system in place. For example, if you are creating content, you need a place to funnel those people. Now that system can be sending people to direct messages or DMs or to a landing page, which I really prefer because it automates the process. On the back end of those systems, you need to have a strategic plan in place. For example, if you're sending people from your content to your DMs, you need to have a DM script. Now, it shouldn't be so rigid and regimented that you can't deviate from it, but you need to know what you're going to say when you start getting people. I prefer sending people to a landing page where I collect their name and their email because that is true automation. People that create content and send them to a direct message or a DM, that is more active income, and I'm more of a fan of passive income. Oh, by the way, pro tip, you will not earn passive income until you start doing active income. Active income means creating blog posts, YouTube videos, TikTok, creating content, putting systems in place. That's all active. And in the very beginning, you are going to be making $0 because you're going to be setting up these systems. You are going to be building out landing pages. You're going to be coming up with content ideas. All of that stuff is active income. I want you to stop thinking about the word passive income and think about active income in the very beginning, and then it'll switch to semi-passive at the end. But there's no such thing as passive income when you are first getting started. If you want to make 10K online, you need to approach this like your job. You are brand new, you're fresh out of college. Next, if you want to make 10K per month, you need to look at this like a part-time job because that's what it is in the very beginning. Until you start seeing money come in, you are going to be actively doing things that feel like a job. If you don't want a second job in the beginning, you will not be successful. Have the mindset that you are going to show up for your job every single day and do what it takes to be successful. If you want 10K per month online, that is something that everybody that already has 10K per month online, it's something that they're already doing, and it's something that you're going to need to do too. Show up like it's your job in the very beginning, and eventually with enough consistency and persistence, it will switch to semi-passive income. Making 10K online per month is going to take longer than expected. You might be dreaming of making 10K per month in the first 90 days. However, it's going to take you longer than 90 days to create good content, set your systems up, get past different speed bumps. Now, can people make 10K in 90 days? Yes. Is it probable for you? No, it's probably not going to happen, but that's okay. What you should do instead is set realistic, attainable goals. For example, a simple goal will be, I want to have 10 new subscribers in 3 days. That's real, simple, attainable, and that's going to trick your mind into being successful. That success feeling is going to be the energy that you need to keep going. So instead of setting out to have the mindset of making 10K in 90 days, go with the mindset that you are going to have real, attainable short-term goals that can build to long-term goals later. And the final one that I want to cover today is 10K is hard because you've never done it before. You simply don't know everything that's included in making 10K. Now, people might be showing you behind the scenes, but what you're going to be doing is going to be slightly different. You could follow somebody step-by-step, word for word, and have different results. What it's going to take for you to earn 10K is going to be different than what it took for me and for other people. So make sure that you understand that 10K will be hard simply because you've never done it before. Once you do it once, you'll understand what it takes. You'll understand the systems. You'll understand the amount of content you need to create. You'll understand the best type of content, and then you can be successful with it. Bonus tip, if you want to make 10K online per month, it takes failure. You're going to fail. You're going to fail when you upload content if you've never done it before. You're going to have things break, like your landing page magically stops collecting emails, or in my case, allowed people to click submit without entering in their email so they could just go on to the next page. You are going to fail, but it's okay. Failure is part of this process. People create courses and memberships and all sorts of stuff to make the learning curve easier, but ultimately you are still going to fail, but you've got to look at failure differently. Nobody bats 100%, no one bats 1,000. If you want to be successful online, it's going to come down to how consistent and persistent you are, how quickly you're able to move past the different speed bumps. And once you understand what it takes to be successful, it's all about redoing those same things again and again and again. Bonus tip, making 10K online is boring. People want exciting and new and flashy. That's not what making money online is. Making money online is the ability to do the exact same thing over and over and over again, repeating processes, having systems in place. I can tell you for a fact, making 10K online is basically me sitting in front of a computer, thinking about customers, thinking about their wants and needs, and creating helpful content. If you want to make 10K online, get good at boring. It's really as simple as that. Now that you know these 10K online secrets, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.